title of this writing is Your Mind is a Receiver. When you use your conscious mind, you're using your ability to receive and assemble. The mind is not the creator of ideas. It pieces together snippets of data received from a larger source of information. It then employs its greatest skill, the ability to use logic to assemble disparate data. Creativity always comes through you. The mind does not design, it builds. Lots of folks spend lots of time thinking things over, thinking that will give them a burst of creativity. If you ever stop to notice, you'll notice that creativity comes when your mind is quiet or otherwise occupied, not when you're thinking things over. Racking your brain is an energy drain. Creating space lets you receive information from another place. Want more creativity? Create a space in your thinking so something new can come through. All the best, John.